The fastest way to swim is not what you think. Knowing this simple fact will immediately make you a better swimmer, even if you don't use it every time you swim. Consider this. Adam Peaty reaches a speed in breaststroke of 1.7 meters per second. In backstroke, Thomas Chacon reaches a speed of 1.85 meters per second. In butterfly, Caleb Dressel reaches a speed of 1.92 meters per second. In freestyle, Caleb Dressel reaches a speed of 2.08 meters per second. Surprisingly, the underwater dolphin kick is even faster than all these strokes, but even dolphin kick is not the fastest way to swim. To explain it visually, artistically, and the feeling of it, we need Ronulus. Take a look. Pushing off the wall is the fastest way to swim because it provides a solid point of leverage. Every other swimming stroke requires you to create leverage from the water, which will never be as firm as the wall. The main downside, you don't have that many pushes in a race, and you can't rely on the wall in open water. Ronulus can float and tread water, but he hasn't learned any of the 5-man swimming strokes yet. Still, he discovered and mastered the fastest way to move through the water by perfecting the push-off. On his first attempt, Ronulus pushes slowly, diagonally, and without proper technique. Exactly the mistake 99% of swimmers make. Acceleration in the water is extremely difficult, especially in competitive swimming, where athletes approach the maximum velocity. To swim fast, you must minimize the speed loss from the push-off. When Ronulus finally pushes off correctly, he is horizontal, in a tight streamline, and with explosive legs. Remember, horizontal, tight, explosive. Ronulus now knows the 3 fundamental swimming skills: floating, treading water, and executing a strong push-off. He's ready to explore swimming longer distances. A fun challenge. Ronulus finished with an entertaining challenge that might seem impossible at first glance, but this was one of our first popular videos, I think because it showed that we can also have fun in the water. After watching this video, your brain might understand how to correctly push off the wall, but your body still needs to learn it. In our secret video here, I'll show you exactly how to train your body to push off perfectly every time, without needing to think about it.